We can go up here quick, check out the skate park. Yeah, we're feeling good. We're feeling good. See if we can take this right turn. Oh, almost. Doesn't look pleased. I want to go and hit the one jump that's in the skate park there. So we're going to swing back around. I guess we can just go down this way. Oh. Unforeseen bumps there, huh? Damn, nice air. What's good? Yeah, it's electric. Fully electric. Yeah, it's fun. It's hella powerful. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the little jump. This thing doesn't handle it that well, but nah, it'll be okay.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
I guess we gotta make a skate park part 2 video. I mean, we're already making it right now, but here's a little feature. It's the highest I've ever jumped this thing. Yeah, I never really jumped this. See if there's any other features of interest here. Oh, that could be fun. This little guy. Woo. Grind. Whew. Yeah, guys, these brakes feel great. They feel really good. I think there's a lot more modulation, get a lot more feeling. It's not just on or off, like I said. Shout out to that Razor kid, because he gave me the recommendation to upgrade to these, and he helped me partially with the install, just let me know what I need, what I don't need. So shout out to you, Brad. So I guess this is all closed. I don't know if there is a concert going on or what's going on, but I guess I can just do whatever I want here. We really need to work on our right-handed wheelies, but this feels pretty damn good. All right, let's slow down. Go into a big old circle. Whew. Yeah, buddy. Really like bunny hopping it. Whew. Arm pump is real though. What's up? Huh? Am I what?
Are you here for the ride out?
Which ride out? The Philly E-Riders? Nah, I'm just out riding around right now. Can you wheelie that thing?
A little bit. I can't hold it as good as you.
Hey, it just takes practice, right? Yeah. That thing pretty powerful?
I mean, it's not like very important, but you can get it done.
Nice. Word. Well, I'm gonna keep riding, but ride safe, dude. Woo. Yeah, there's one. If you go, here, I'll just show you. I'll just bring you there. There should be like a deli right over here. See if you can keep up on that bike. Oh, lost it. Yeah, the right turns are the hardest for me, guys. But I think with this brake being like so easy to pull, it should just get easier and easier. Good. Hello, officer. There you go. Yeah, they've got some sort of event that they're setting up for here. They got cops all over blocking stuff. Okay, yeah. These brakes are a game changer. I know they're just upgraded mountain bike brakes, but they do feel more like motorcycle brakes in terms of their response. They feel way better. Yeah, they got food and all set up here. I'm not sure what this is. Some sort of street fest, maybe. Oh, duh, it's for the 4th of July. Oh, okay, yeah. See, this is what I was looking for. Something that at 12 o'clock actually works. And these actually work at 12. It's over. Get these brakes. You won't regret it. I mean, they're a big improvement over Zoom. And Zoom is already, like, pretty decent. I learned all my wheelies on the Zoom brakes. But these are just one step higher. They should get me right so I can practice even bigger and better tricks. So I'm hype on them. See what we got over here. Yeah, they got tents set up. Yeah, it's a 4th of July celebration, I guess. Very cool. See if I can exit here. Can I? Or can I not? Oh, it's all blocked in. I gotta go back the way I came. Woo-wee, it's a shit show right now. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, the Magura MT5 brakes, I highly recommend them. They're gonna have way more feel than the Zoom brakes. Again, the Zoom brakes are great. So if you're rocking stock Razor brakes, I wholly recommend you get at least the Zoom. They're gonna be cheaper, but if you got the cash, 120 bucks, go ahead, get yourself the Magura MT5s. You're not gonna regret it. I feel a lot more comfortable now, especially when I drop back. So, highly recommend them. And let's go into a circle here. Oh, that was user error, not breaker. Oh, there we go. Yes, sir. He's nice with it. All right, we got to get one together. Oh, I lost him. Damn it. See, that's where you can mousetrap this. I like this guy.
Whoa, I've been the one they catching on now. Yeah, had it on lock since we were locked down. Yeah, my stats are up, they never gone down. Said they wasn't interested, but now they wanna talk now. Not avail, leave a message right at the beat, please. Metaphorically, one bullet is all that I need. See, taking my shot, I need only one. Just like a hole in one, or like the golden gun. New flows unlocked, who's supposed to mob, too close to hot. Please don't touch, just look, you supposed to watch. Who stole the spot, new clothes and watch. Who closed the shop, shut it down every time 2 shows a stop. Moves like Michael, the flow like Aubrey. Walk around thinking I'm a prince like Saudi. Mismatched Converse, t-shirts tucked in. No, my work can't tell me nothing. White Nikes, albino, can cop my stilo. Head to the top, bottom line is a motto. Hot like a Cheeto, bingo, bingo. Count my digits, see me in and out, bingo. Break a leg, be like I'm a centipede. Bring 100 to the table, always be the centerpiece. Play that I games, but don't wanna level me. Like Mario, Luigi,
Hell yeah, dude. You got good balance. All right, man, ride safe. Have a good one. Cool, dude. Whew. Brad warned me of just that. Coming back down off a one-hander, grabbing too much front brake. Because these things are touchy when it comes to that. Try another knee knock here on this terribly unlevel road. But we just got to do them. Oh. Yeah, I mean, knee knocks definitely feel a little bit better with this brake too, for what it's worth. All right, now I'm actually getting where I need to be on a knee knock, which is way higher off the ground. Sorry guys, got sidetracked by doing wheelies with that guy. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I have tons and tons of content yet to come, so definitely stay tuned. If you guys have any recommendations for videos or like requests, just leave it down in the comments. I'm always happy to do whatever you guys want. But otherwise, I'll catch you next time. Almost a 2K sub, so hit that subscribe button. But peace.
Okay, the shoes Chuck Taylor, the suits got tailored. I'ma write it off, it don't matter what it cost us. Wife got me managed, the fam got percentage. My whole circle really got M's like Mazda. Whoa.